The goal today is to help people. To them to have a light, it changes everything for them.
We have a skill that not many people have, and we want to donate it, help people.
When I first started, it used to be called Christmas in April.
So we have qualified union carpenters, electricians, plumbers, painters going into these homes, making their own assessments and making safe repairs.
Now it's called Rebuilding Together.
On behalf of the Contractors Association, I want to thank everybody for coming out today, donating your time, and getting them safe out there.
Our training and our skills are the best in the nation. We make it work, we make it safe, and we do it right the first time.
We're going to give a great thing to some of these constituents in the city of Chicago members that they can't do for themselves. And we bring the trained workforce in, we put it on your shoulders, and it gets done, and you do change people's lives today.
We work together. A lot of the times, they know what needs to be done. They have no clue where to go and get it done. So that's number one. Number two is the financial aspect of it, right? So a lot of the stuff is not affordable. It's not easy to call a qualified, certified electrical contractor to come out and repair something that they've never had before.
We're all people deep down, that's what we are. And we want to go out and show the community that we're your neighbors, we're your family, we're your friends. That's who we are.
Yeah, we got over 100 volunteers today. We just get them all together and get help from everyone.
The combination of the people from Powering Chicago, the IBEW electricians, and the Electrical Contractors Association of Chicago are here to help the low-income seniors of Blue Island up to code and to make them warm, safe, and dry.
You guys go out and you safe off anything that doesn't look safe first, and then you start making those fundamental repairs.
We're tradesmen. A lot of these people don't have that same opportunity on who to call to come out and fix this, fix that. We go in there, we already know what to do. We know how to address it. We know how to make it safe. We know how to fix it. We know how to make it better.
Unions aren't what people used to think they are, just stand around, don't do anything.
The labor movement has not just built an economy or neighborhoods. It's the labor movement that has built lives. And you all are carrying on a tradition that goes far back than any of us could obviously even imagine.
That's what we're about. We're about each other and we're about helping out.
The importance of our members, our brothers and sisters out doing the job is that we know it's done right, it's done safe, and it's done on time. In this, when we're donating the time and donating the material, we just want to give these people who can't help themselves sometimes a chance to have a safe living condition. And what better way to show it than what we do is every day in and out.
Very thankful for you guys coming out here. I know that my dad's house needed a lot of work, fixing some of the electrical outlets, putting lights out in the garage.
Homeowners impacted by the electrical workers replacing outlets that are not functional in bathrooms, kitchens, living room, and bedrooms.
It means a lot to me. I appreciate it.
Also, this particular home has electric baseboard heaters, so they're being replaced because they're not functional. And that's part of the Rebuilding's Warm, Safe, and Dry program.
Thanks to Southside Electric, they donated all the supplies today.
To me, it's important to give back. I've been blessed to have this great job, this great career, all these great benefits that come with it, and some of these people don't have that same luxury that I have. For me to give an afternoon, it's nothing. To me, for them, it's the world. It's life-changing.
Very special to help out the community and those that aren't fortunate enough to be able to accomplish the skills that myself and the crew of men and women working on these homes.
I've been volunteering for over 20-something years. So what inspired me is just seeing the people that you're helping, how happy they are once you finish the job.
Our diversity among the ranks of Local 134 and the Contractors Association has grown by leaps and bounds in the last 10 years. You have seen, not only in Blue Island, but in Englewood, not the houses we're going in, but the workforce we're going in with is diverse. And that's the message we're sending. We're not perfect yet, but we're working in the right direction.
So now we have the incredible responsibility, just as those who have done it before us, that set the mark for us to be here today. We need to ensure that the labor movement is as diverse as the city of Chicago, and that regardless of what zip code you live in, regardless of your gender, regardless of your ethnic background, you deserve to help build Chicago. And together, we will build a better, stronger, safer Chicago. Thank you all. God bless you.
We're not stopping. So I appreciate everything that every brother and sister and contractor has donated for today, because we are, as I said, making a difference in people's lives.